What's up? Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I do have the Amplifier SC3 game mixer from Fifine, or Fifine, however you want to say it. I got this as a Christmas gift, so someone in my family picked this up for me because I asked for it. So pretty much this is an audio. It has audio reverberation, custom sound effects, and it's widely compatible. So pretty much it's showing you can use this with the computer or your phone. On the back here, you can pause this and read this information for yourself if that's something you want to do. And yes, I do have one of these, but I actually have one of these from Mano, and there's nothing wrong with it, but the one that I have from Mano is a little too big, and this one is smaller, and this one will go with my new desk setup that I'm going to try to do in the beginning or middle of next year. So pretty much I'm just going to unbox this. We're not going to show how it works because, like I said, I want to save this for my desk setup, but this is what it looks like. I will drop a link in the description to where you can pick this up for yourself, but you can either go on their website or go to Amazon, which this was bought for me on Amazon. So I'm just going to type that in real quick and pull it up so you can see what it looks like. And it comes in 2 different colors. And I'm going to save the color for when I unbox it, but I'm going to type this in so you can see how much this would run you if you were interested in buying this for yourself. So pretty much it runs just, well, the black one, as you can see, the black one runs is $49 and some change. But now if you want the white, the white is the one that I got because when I do my new desk, I'm trying to do a white and black or just an all white background. So pretty much you can get this for the white one is $51.99. the black one was $57 and now it dropped to $49, but this is what it looks like. I think it's going to look nice on my new desktop whenever I get it and whenever I do the setup and so on and so on. And then another reason why I like this one and picked this one is because it's smaller. The one that I have from Mano, which I got last year for Christmas, is a tad bit bigger. But anyways, let's unbox this like so. So when you open it, you are greeted with the instruction manual. I pretty much won't need this. You do get your cables. So this is, you know, your regular, this is only for line out cable right here, as you can see. Then you get your charger, well, your plug. This will plug into your the device, and then you can charge it, and you would have to connect your microphone to it. And that's another thing. I'm trying to see if I can go pick up the white mic, or if Fifine wants to send your girl out that mic, you know, hit me up. My email is in the description, even though they probably won't, you know. I'll throw it out there. Like I said, if I cannot get it to review it through a company, I can buy it I'll buy it myself, which that is the plan, because this was on my list to pick up for myself, but someone in my family was kind enough to get it for me for Christmas, and I have a birthday coming up in February, so hey, who knows, maybe I can get the mic then. But hey, if Fifine sees this and they see that I actually do have their product and want to send me out that matching all white mic with the boom arm, I will be grateful. But if they don't, like I said, I can buy it myself. It's not a biggie, no big biggie. But pretty much this is what it looks like in hand. I really like the look and feel of this. Man, this is gonna look nice whenever I do change over to a new setup and a new desk, so on and so on. But this is what it looks like. So you get your 48V, you get your electric custom A, you get your custom C button, you get your brightness, you get your voice, you change your voice. So with this you can do a male, female, and a robot. You get your monster, you get monster baby, monster baby, or elder. Then you get a D, customize D button. Down here you get your mute button, your line mute button. You get headphones for mic and monitor. Then you get your line out, which is mute. And then these are your switches here. Once you plug everything up, all of these lights I'm sure will light up. So on this side, it's showing you access to your headphones. This side is showing you access to your mic. If you come over here and turn it to the back here, you get access for OTG, PC cable. Get your line out. This is where your headphone jack will go. This is where your line in. This is where your headset. You get your dynamic and your condenser. Cut it on and cut it off. And this is where your mic will go. I do have a mic, but it's not white. And it's not from Fifine. So, you know, I try to match my products up together. But pretty much this was just a quick video of me showing you that I do currently have this in the building. And I will be showing this off more sometime next year whenever I can get my desktop. I have to sell the one I have first. Then as soon as I can get that sold and broke down, then I will place an order for the new desk and buy accessories, so on and so on. But I just wanted to show you that. And like I said, I'll drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this product up for yourself. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.